Now watch your feet. Look at your feet right here. You have to put your feet
up.
right there. That's right. Right in that hole right there. There you go.
That's a big boy.
All right, find
There
the
we
next
go.
foot. Right in there.
Ha ha. Ha
I don't think you want him to do the splits.
Is your foot stuck? Yay! Wanna do it again? Wanna do it again? Good job.
Step.
That's fun, huh?
Oh, you got it that time.
That's
Go
fun,
ahead.
huh? Come on.
You can do it.
Come
Next
see
step.
Dada. Come see.
Next step.
Come on, come see. Come on, Kelly. Come on, boy.
There you go. Oh, can't get that other foot.
Oh, he can go backwards too. He's good at that. Get that foot. There we go. There we go. Yay!